Welcome to Chetna's Healthy Indian series. I hope you guys are loving it because I am absolutely loving cooking these recipes for you. And today I've got another very popular one, which is Palak Paneer. But this is not normal Palak Paneer. This is with a little twist. I have got here 200 grams of normal big leaf spinach. You can use whatever spinach you like. 200 grams of that, and same amount of Cavolo Nero, which is a kind of a kale, or it's called black cabbage. But if you can't find this, just use any kind of kale, and it's equal quantities of both and same amount of boiling water, and all three things are going to go in a pan. All we really want is to cover and cook this for 5 minutes and until the leaves have wilted. That is going to go straight into my blender because I'm going to puree it and make it super smooth. Now I've got a hot pan and adding 1 tablespoon of ghee, and in goes in 2 cloves of garlic which I've thinly sliced. Let it cook and a minute, and now goes in all the puree. Making sure I've got every little bit. Now a good quick mix, and I am going to cover and cook this on low heat for 5 to 7 minutes. Add a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of chili powder. And now I have got 225 grams of paneer. All of that goes into our creamy, beautiful green mix, and then finish it with just 1 tablespoon, not more, of double cream, and that is ready to be served. And this is the easiest dish to make. It's ready in minutes, so you have no excuses for midweek meal. And this is from my new book, Chetna's Healthy Indian. Isn't this the most beautiful green color? And that plate of food looks so delicious and healthy. And I am just going to dig in. It's really nice with chapatis or rice, like every other curry, but yeah, it is really good. Oh, so good, so good. And I haven't even used any spices except for salt and chili. Like, there's nothing in it, but there's so much flavor in spinach and Cavolo Nero that you don't need to throw in loads of spices. Oh, just brilliant. Please do give this a go. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you back next week for a brand new recipe. Bye.